The iCarsoft CR Max BT is an advanced diagnostic tool that offers a comprehensive range of services for vehicle maintenance, making it a must-have for any car enthusiast or mechanic. This enhanced version provides powerful bidirectional diagnostic functions and detailed OBD2 detection services, allowing users to perform expert-level vehicle maintenance. With its unique ECU coding service, the device supports a wide range of car models, including Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, and Mini, ensuring compatibility and versatility. The tool comes equipped with a wireless Bluetooth connector, a high-resolution touchscreen, and a robust battery, enhancing user convenience and ease of operation. It offers an extensive set of actuation tests, surpassing many competitors by providing over 130,000 test items, which helps pinpoint faults accurately and efficiently. The iCarsoft CR Max BT also includes battery registration and reset services, optimizing engine performance and ensuring the longevity of your car's electrical system.